Hello everyone, we will tie the hairs like this on the back. Now fix a ribbon. Now to fix the ribbon on the hairs, we will make the plaits by dividing it into two parts. Join the hairs on both the sides and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, comb the hairs properly and then divide them and make small section of the hairs and make the plaits on it. Now join them on the back one by one, tie the hairs and fix the ribbon on the hairs and it's ready. Next, comb the hairs properly and tie half of the hairs. Now fix the ribbon on the hair like this. Now to fix the ribbon on the sides, we will make the plaits by taking small section of the hairs from the front and the back as well. Tie them and it's ready. Next, we will make the ponytail on the sides. Now take few section of the hairs. Now divide them into two sections again. Fix this bun foam. Tie it using a rubber band like this. Fix all the hairs from the sides and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will take small section of the hairs in the sides and make the plaits like this. Now join them on the back and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs in the sides and then rotate it. Now again, fix it on the top like this. Now on the rest of the hairs, we will make the plaits on the sides like this. Take the hairs from the back one by one into small sections and tie it. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Follow the same step till the end. Fix the hairs by tying the plaits and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take small section of the hairs in the sides and then tie it like this. Now join the hairs on the back and it's ready. Next, divide the hairs in the front, tie them, tie the hairs on the back, make the plaits and it's ready. Thanks for watching.